at WWScenics, and today we're going to be building the site office and portable toilets. So let's get into it. Okay, so first one we're going to do is site office. Yeah, they didn't used to come with instructions. That's why I asked somebody to, or somebody asked me to build one on camera. Okay, so here it is. Yeah, but now it comes with instructions. So luckily I'm going to follow it. Yeah, so the contents there, and obviously steps 1, 2, 14. Okay, and then on the second video, then I'm going to show you how to paint it up, right? So we spray it black, spray it whatever. Yeah, a bit of silver, a bit of rust. Jobs are good done, right? Okay. So yeah, so let's get into it basically, right? So tools you need: cut mat. Yeah, I got a crafting knife, small crafting knife, and a ruler. Yeah, okay. You're going to need glue, so we're going to use our basing glue. Yeah, okay. A little dish and some brushes just to brush on some of the glue as well, right? Okay. So let's get into it. Okay, so just select some of the pieces don't need at the moment. I'm going to put away, so I need them. So these are coming off anyway, so put them over there. I'm going to get all the pieces cut off that I need, and then we're just going to follow instructions and build them up. So there's the box built there. Okay, so I'm going to leave that dry now before I do step 3. Yeah, okay. And I'm going to go and do these ones again now, right? So I've got the 2 boxes, and so that one's dry, so then I can go on to the next one. So same thing, and just do the same again now on the other box. Okay, so there's the second box done. Yeah, okay, which obviously is going to fit on top of that when we get it done. So leave that to that side. This should be now nice and dry. Yeah, that's lovely to go. So now we're going to start popping out the sides. Yeah, so we want one door, one side, one long length, and then the 2 other lengths. So there's one completely on here, so we'll take it out. Absolutely perfect, and there we go. There is the container 1, which is going to slot. Well, that's the bottom, and then your top piece then is going to slot into there, like so. Okay, so there's the 2 boxes just together. Jobs are good done. Now we're going to move on to, actually we're going to put the window shutters on. Leave it dry. And what we're going to do now is start working on the steps. Okay. So obviously they got individual steps like that on the way up. Then there's foot, then the railings. Yeah. Okay. So. instructions quickly. Okay, so it's telling me then to make the top bit first, right? So again, cut through that. Make sure that I got instructions by the side over here and I'm following the instructions. So the first one is saying, yeah, is to glue that like that in there. So I'm just gonna make sure that fits in lovely. Just careful picking it up, right, because some of them are delicate. So first things first. So that notch there, okay, points inwards. Yeah, so that one there obviously is the front. Okay, so that goes into that piece there. So that notch fits into there. With that piece, that slots into that piece there and sits on top of that like that. Yeah, okay. So first and foremost, and then obviously the gate then, sorry, that back piece then fits like that. Yeah. Trying to get it so you can see it. Okay, anyway, so first and foremost, let's just glue this little bit right here. Now, I'm going to put the spacer, I'm going to turn it this way, because what I want to do is down the bottom, make sure that we are straight, is cut this piece, yeah, see it there? That slots over in the instructions, that's your first step. And in M for there, so where it says M, let's see if I can get it there, see where it says M, there, that'll slot over there. Okay, so I've pushed these into the side like that, and I'm going to wait for them to dry, and then I can just push that into there, and then that slots into there. Okay, and then we'll glue that then. So leave one side to dry first and then move on to the next. Right, now that's dry, you can just start building the steps now. That's the same process, just glue either side and just keep putting the steps on all the way up to the top. There's a middle bit as well on the sprue. You'll see the section, there's a little notched out. Just make sure that goes onto the middle of the rails, which is slots into it. But then yeah, just carry on until you're done. There we go. Set of ladders ready for the side office. So you can see that I made a boo-boo. Okay, so the boo-boo I made is that this front panel should be twisted that way. Yeah, twisted that way. Yeah, so that door is over there, like that. If you want to do with the door coming down there, and then have bits and pieces by here, then some work on it. Yeah, that type of thing. Okay, so there it is. Essentially, what we've got to do now is a couple of doors to go on. That's building a site office. Yeah, there's the site office. Yeah, with the instructions. Okay, you know what I mean? Turns around like that. Should have gone up. The stairs should have gone up against it like that. Yeah, because you know what I mean. But I made a boo-boo, so you know what I mean. Turn it around. But just to show that if you do make a boo-boo, yeah, you know what I mean. You haven't got to buy a new one to do it. You can have them like that. Yeah. Sitting like that, and it still looks good. Yeah, it still looks. Look at that, looks wicked. Now I'm going to paint it up, yeah, and then I'll weather it and all sorts of things like. You know, what I mean, it's going to look wicked. Trust me, right? Okay. So that'll be the next video. I'm only human. Yeah, you know what I mean? Goes to show that even I, yeah, and when I've never built one of those. It's the first time I've built it, and we produce them as well. You know what I mean? But I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for watching. Yeah, you know what I mean? Till the next time. Yeah, thanks very much. Bye bye.